Hoover Dam is a concrete arch-gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River, on the border between the US states of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression. Its construction was the result of a massive effort involving 21,000 workers and cost over 100 lives. Hoover Dam is a major tourist attraction. We were told nearly 7 million people visit the dam each year. The first stage involved blasting the walls of the canyons to create temporary diversion tunnels and a cofferdam that would help to divert the Colorado River to allow for the rest of the construction to be completed. As the dam rose in height, piece by piece, it was finally completed in 1935 with a final height of 726 feet or 221 metres. The dam's generators provide power for public and private utilities in Nevada, Arizona and California. Lake Mead serves water to the states of Arizona, California and Nevada, as well as some of Mexico, providing sustenance to nearly 20 million people and large areas of farmland. The lake has remained below full capacity since 1983 due to drought and increased water demand. As of 30th of June 2021, Lake Mead held 35% of full capacity. At maximum capacity, Lake Mead is 112 miles or 180 kilometres long, 532 feet at its greatest depth, has a surface elevation of 1,221 feet above sea level, and has 247 square miles of surface area.